Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking two styles of eggs. One is sambal egg and the other is sweet radish egg. And we are using Nutri-Plus omega-3 eggs. I only love using Nutri-Plus egg and it's going to be an excellent day. To make our sambal egg, we need eggs, of course, depending on how many you want to use. Shallots, dry prawns, lime juice, brown sugar and my sambal belacan. I have a video of it on my channel if you like to try using my sambal. I like my sambal belacan to be spicy. It's very shock. Okay, now let's finally chop our dry prawns. Then thinly slice the shallots. Meanwhile, you can boil your eggs. Pour in a quarter of a cup of lime juice into your shallots, then add your dry prawns. Stir them up. Then add 3 tablespoons of sambal belacan. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, stir, stir. Check on your eggs. We are going to peel the hard-boiled eggs. I suggest peeling them when they have cooled down, but my hands are made of steel, so I'm just going in for it. Chop them up like this into the sambal mixture. And stir again. You are done. How easy was that? Now on to the next dish. Wow, this one is easier. I'm using 5 eggs because it's going to be a thick one. I usually make this dish only with sweet radish, but I had some leftover pumpkin, so let's see how it turns out. Crack your eggs in a bowl. And give it a little whiskey whisk. Mix the shredded pumpkin in until fully incorporated. On low heat, pour some oil into your pan. Let's fry the sweet radish. It's popping. As you can see, I didn't learn my lesson from the yam cake video. Oh my goodness, be careful, it pops. Oh, what a nightmare. Alright, now add the pumpkin egg in. Let it cook. I like to add my favorite mushroom seasoning for that savory taste, but if you like to keep it sweet, just leave it as it is. Now let's watch this very embarrassing attempt of flipping the egg.
No, 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 no.
Nailed it. Let it cook for a while more. Wow, it looks like roti canai. And there you have it, 2 simple egg dishes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy my egg recipe. Oh no, now it's time for me to go to the kitchen and cook for my family. It's dinner time. So see you next time. Bye bye.
Run.
That's all ว่าขอลูกเอาเลยไป